Hello viewers, I'm going to turn on the old heat pump again just to see if it still works after last night. Oh well, here goes nothing. It sounds alright. Hello viewers, I've decided since it's so cold and that thing works well but it's not too good because it blows the cold air back in. I pulled this out of my old bedroom, an old heat pump I found one day about 10 years ago. I'm going to service it up. I'm going to put it in the wall there. I've already put the box in for it. So this should heat quite well. As you can see, it's got a decent coil on it. Pretty filthy though, so I'll give it a proper clean and see how we go. It just seems to be a later model than the unit on the bottom there. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, I got most of the covers off. Good thing I did. Filthy. Absolutely disgusting. Put bolts in the motor oiling holes so it doesn't get any coil cleaner or water in there. I'll oil it when I'm done. Squirrel cages are locked with dirt. Thing's disgusting. I've worked out it's just stage 1 heat. There is no stage 2 heat in this unit. Shouldn't need it with the size of that coil though. The reversing valve. Defrost timer's in here, runs the capillary line out there. Well, all the coils are clean, the fan's been cleaned. The back coil didn't come up as good as I wanted it to, but it's been used for heat for many years. It's degraded a little bit. So I'll put it all back together now and put it in. There we go, all in and done. All the lights put back. Works quite well. There's the old one up there. Here's the Mercedes back here. Very happy with that one. Got this down here so let's a little more air in. Thank you for watching.